The very first function is string dot length. Example, string s is equal to we are good. Now, if I write s dot length, it will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The answer will be 11. 1 more than index value. I'll make you understand what index value is. Suppose there is any string s is equal to we are good. So these are the index values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. These are called index values or location values, also L values, also called L values. So if we have string s is equal to computer 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Index values are 7. So the s dot length function will give us the result as 8. 1 more than the index value. Index values are the address values by which we can call any function. They are as same as we did in arrays. You can look into the array lectures and get to it. There I have explained what an index value is in arrays. 7, 8, 4, 5, 6, 3 if it is an array. Then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These were the index values. Right. Now coming up to the next function. The next function is string dot char at index value. Achha, one more thing I want to tell you, a special thing that is generally to be noticed in string functions is that generally the function names start with a lowercase and the second word starts with an uppercase. I'll explain it. Suppose there's a function called index index of. So the first word is index and the second word is off. This is the first word and this is the second word. Similarly at the top also char at. Here also this is the first word and this is the second word. The first word will start with small letter and the second word of the function will start with a capital letter. So we need to remember this thing as very important. I know this is an important thing. Whenever you are writing a program, you should remember this. The first one with small letters, and the second word will start with capital letter. है ना? Yeah. Now, coming up to the previous function, that was char add function. I need to scale it off. Coming back to the topic. Yeah. Suppose there's a string, as we have priorly mentioned. S is equal to we are good. My favorite example. Here the index values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. If I write s dot char at suppose 3, I will get a. But remember, it will extract a character. A is a character. So return type of the function is a character. The character itself is enough. I don't have to mention it a character because it will return a single character. We should always remember, if you write something in single quotes, it's a character, but if I write like this, it becomes this is a string and this is a character. So we should know to differentiate both of them. That single quotes represents a character, but a double quotes represents a string. Yeah, I will deviate the topic a bit. I want to make you understand one more thing. If I write A plus B, the answer will be AB. But if I write A plus B, the answer will be not AB, right? This is a wrong answer because we should remember char plus char is integer. Char plus char is a integer. So if I add A plus B, it will convert them to integers and they will get the ASCII values. What are the values? ASCII values. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. A will become 97 plus 98 and we'll get an integer answer. Similarly, if you add a character char plus int, you'll again get an integer. Like if I write A plus 5, that will give me the ASCII value of this thing. That will be 97 plus 5. So we should remember this. We can add two characters, but they'll be converted into an integer value. But whereas if I take two strings like 100 plus simply a 5, it will give us 100, 5 and again a string. If I write ABC plus PQ5, it will give me ABC PQ5. Here this plus sign acts as concat function or joins the two strings. So we should remember, if there's a Double code, if there's a double code and we add something to it, we get as string, and both things are being joined together, right? Yeah. Some important key points which we generally forget. So in between, I may get deviated from the topic a bit to make you have a better understanding of the topic, so that we can understand the topic much better way. Yeah. Coming back to my point, it was caret function. Caret function, I told you it is used to extract a character from a given string. String s is equal to, we have 125 cards. And if I write s dot char at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if I write, suppose char at 1 plus s dot char at 9, then I'll get as e plus, I'll get here 2. So what I want to make you understand here is, I'm getting e and 2. Now here e will fetches ASCII value, and even this 2 will also fetches the ASCII value, because both of them are characters here. And we should remember that small a to small z, the ASCII values from 97 to 122. Similarly, 0 to 9 also has an ASCII value of 48 to 57. So if we take as A, B, C, D and E, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101. The ASCII value of E is 101. Similarly here, 0, 1, 2, 3, so 48, 49, 50. The ASCII value of 2 is 50. So the sum of E plus character 2 will give us what? It will give us 101 plus 50. And that will be 151. This is very important. We generally will make mistake. See, remember this, E plus 2 will be equal to 101 plus 2, and that will be 103. But E plus character 2 will fetch us 101 plus 50, and that will be 151. So this is also a very important thing. Two different, I'm making these things very much clear because nowadays we are asked more of MCQs, applied questions. There are these basic formalities, these basic things, these basic knowledges are being asked in different manner. So you need to understand small bit of thing and remember them. Wherever I mention important, you should stop my video and you should note it down in your copy as an important topic and remember it. So we'll deal with the next function.